Here's how you can join a Teams meeting on the iPhone. Let's get started. If you are first time on the Foxtecc channel, make sure you become part of the community by subscribing, and that way you will never miss any future updates like this one. Anyways, you have two ways to start, to join a meeting within the Teams app. If you don't really want to create an account, you can just download the Teams app from the App Store, and without signing in, you have the ability to join a meeting. So you're gonna click on that button and you need to have the meeting ID as well as passcode ready to grant you access to it. But as I say, you don't need to have any account or anything like that, and you'll be able to join a meeting this way. That's cool if you do it only occasionally, but if you actually plan on using the app, it's much better to set up an account. So you'll need to sign in or create a brand new Microsoft account, and then it's going to look like this. You will see your app in a side, everything's going to be ready. And yeah, you can also join a meeting either by clicking a link and it's going to redirect you to this app, or you can as well tap on the meet at the top and join with the meeting ID, which will essentially give you the same interface. The same meeting ID as well as passcode is required for you to join, and that's how you'll be able to get access to that as well. So that is how it works. It's essentially simple. You just have to have it set up the right way. So let me know if it worked for you too. Thanks a lot, and I hopefully get to see you later in the next videos as well.